Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Vincent van Gogh, the legendary Dutch painter. This is the way us Dutchies say Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh. There is a light emphasis on the very first syllable of his first name. Vincent van Gogh. And please do not pronounce it as Van Gogh. Just keep trying that hard ch. It will make it sound so much more authentic and frankly less silly than the Van Gogh. So, Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh. I'm going to see paintings by Vincent van Gogh. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!